So barely only, 2.5 months or something like that. That was Eli Tomac the last time we saw him racing with the ruptured Achilles. And you gotta say, if you look up this on Google, just blatant whatever, it says a ruptured Achilles takes 6 to 12 months to heal from. And then you have this. This is posted today as I'm recording this. Eli Tomac on his feet, looks like working out, and on the leg and the Achilles that was ruptured. Obviously, he's a very fit guy. Not going to be one of those people to just sit around in the house and do nothing. But to be back on his feet and looking like he's working out, or at least getting some flexibility back, getting some strength back in that leg, it's pretty good. That doesn't look like a guy who's ready to retire or a guy who's just hanging up the boots. I mean, obviously you're going to want to rehab that in general. You're not going to want to tear your or rupture your Achilles and then just, whatever, I'm done racing, I'm just going to do nothing with it. No, you're going to want to heal it the right way, and especially being who he is, being the athlete he is, the recovery side of things is kind of built into him. But it doesn't, to me, seem like somebody who, if you're going to retire and you're done with racing, you don't think you'd be pushing this hard for 3 months, or not even 3 months, to be already back and working out. You'd take this 6 to 12 months to heal and take it slow. But I don't know. If you saw this today, you tell me, do you think this is a precursor or a little, I don't know, push to say that he is coming back or wants to come back and race and be competitive? Or is it just him as a person, being fit, being healthy, and wanting to heal fast? I don't know. In the comments below, you tell me, though. Anything. Do you think he's coming back? When he's coming back? Under what team, maybe? If he's not coming back with Yamaha, whatever it is, comment down below. As you're down there, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.